In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable phone authentication in Firebase. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on over here any of your projects inside console. So I'm going to click on this one over here. And then what you want to do here on the left, you want to go to security and click on authentication. From here, you want to go to sign in methods and you'll be able to see them over here. But if you have any sign in providers already, like me, I have Google, you'll be able to click on add new provider over here. And now you can see native providers and one of them is phone. So you want to click on phone over here and you want to click on the enable button over here. And then there we go. As you can see, this will require additional configuration steps. So you're going to follow the steps on your platform. You have Apple, Android, and web. So I'm going to do web over here, for example, and it's going to give you all the steps needed over here. And of course, for Android, it's going to give you all the steps needed as well. And the same is going to be for Apple. Now, of course, whenever you do that, you can also see here you have phone number for testing, and you can go and basically type in your phone number over here. Of course, whatever the phone number is, you just want to type it in, and then of course the verification code as well, and then simply hit the save button, and that's essentially how you add this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.